In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Wattpad dark mode. If you spend a lot of time reading stories on Wattpad, using dark mode can make the experience much more comfortable, especially during nighttime reading sessions. Dark mode helps reduce brightness on the screen and can make reading easier on your eyes. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through a simple method to enable dark mode on the Wattpad website using a browser extension. To get started, launch your Google Chrome web browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Wattpad website and open the home page as you normally would. After the page loads, you'll notice that Wattpad's web version may not include a built-in dark mode option for all users. Because of that, we'll use a browser extension to apply a dark theme automatically. Now open a new browser tab or window in Chrome. In the search bar, search for the Dark Reader Chrome extension. This extension is widely used to turn bright websites into dark mode versions, making them easier to view and read. Once you find the extension page, open it and click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome may display a pop-up asking for confirmation before installing the extension. When that appears, click Add Extension to continue. The browser will then begin installing the extension automatically. After the installation is complete, Chrome may open another page related to the extension setup or introduction. You can simply close that page once the extension has been added successfully. Next, return to your Wattpad tab or refresh the page if needed. You should now notice that Wattpad has automatically switched into dark mode. The background will appear darker while the text becomes lighter and easier to read. This creates a cleaner and more comfortable reading environment, especially if you enjoy reading for long periods of time. If the dark theme does not appear immediately, make sure the extension is enabled in your browser. In most cases, the change happens automatically as soon as the extension is active. Using a dark mode extension like this can improve your overall reading experience and make browsing Wattpad much more visually comfortable without changing your actual account settings. And that's how you can quickly enable dark mode on Wattpad using Google Chrome and a simple browser extension. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.